Here we got another Ford 150 and I don't know what is this thing, man? It's Model T 27. I guess they sold Model Ts in 27. I thought maybe they're selling both, you know? You got your luggage out there in the running board. I'd be scared to drive this thing, man. I'm not, you know, it's not like driving, it's like driving a Caterpillar or something. Repeal the 18th Amendment. Yeah, they did. Finally. Little roadkill there. See that? He's run over a skunk. That's the Prohibition Amendment. Why they repeal the freaking 16th Amendment too, and the 17th. It's pretty cool. It's pretty small. They got so many different Model T configurations. So it's got the rumble seat in the back, I guess, that flips up. Got your lock back there. And you got to manually light up your lamps. It's pretty wild. Yeah, got a tiger in your tank. Here's the tail. See that? Of course, here's your radiator. Get right at it, right easy. Single leaf spring. I always like that design. Kingpins and. The kingpin design was that was even on my 66 Dodge 3/4 ton truck, like that, except it had a bigger I-beam in the front. It's a good design, nothing wrong with it.